I can do anything. Guys, are you looking this? Yes. What is that?
I can do anything.
Yes.
Because you are capable to achieve greatness, and you are the cusp of greatness, and your thoughts are the spark that ignites the flame of success. That is, keep your thought positive, because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive, because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive. Keep your behavior positive, because your behavior becomes your habits. Keep your habits positive, because your habits becomes your values. And keep your values positive, because your values becomes your destiny.
Look at the beautiful lady. Please, look at, because I'm going to ask some questions to relate to this lady. Right? Now. So think about something about that lady. Think. Are you thinking?
Yes.
Okay, so now. So put your hand. Those who think about that lady, put your hands. Hi, Sambian.
Hi.
How are you?
Perfectly fine.
I'm absolutely fine. So today I'm here to talk about the beautiful topic. So our thought, the importance of thought, right? So first I want to ask some question from you guys, and please concentrate, especially boys,
Yeah.
right? Now, look at the beautiful lady. Please look at, because I'm going to ask some question to relate to this lady, right? Look at everyone. Okay. Now, so think about something about that lady. Think.
She's watching me.
Are you thinking?
Yes.
Okay. So now, so put your hand. Those who think about that lady, put your hands. Raise your hands. I'm going to say that. 1, 2, 3. Just 3. You guys also have eyes. Look at this beautiful lady here, please. Look at
Raise your hand.
and raise your hands. Raise your hands,
Show some
please.
energy. Raise your hand.
Raise your hands. Okay. Now. So just I want to tell you that how our mind works means what? You are not in our control. That time you are in my control. Whatever I was telling you, you are doing, right? So that's why I'm telling you the power of thought. Please.
Great start.
So now, don't mind, okay? So now, thought. Thinking is the part of our mind that is not visible, right? Every invention start from thinking. First, people starting thinking about any invention, then after that, they invent, right? So thinking, the power of any invention. Nowadays, we have advanced technology because of thinking. If people don't think, then there is no any scope of invention, right? So in order to make our life success, the one ability we need to master than anything, master than more, is the ability how to think and how not to think. We all have realized the importance of thinking. Thinking can make our heart race or slow it down. Thinking can make our BP shoot up and sink it down. And thinking can change the chemical composition in our blood, and thinking can make you happy or sad, failure or success. So think well. You know, guys, whatever you think, whatever you see, whatever you watch, it's totally affect indirectly or directly, right? So think well, watch well, and do well. So today I'm going to give you today I would like to give you one tool, and that is the tool of Chintan. Right? The tool of Chintan means what? Chintan means repeated thinking, bringing one thought in our mind again and again and again. And that is called Chintan. Means what? When we failed in any exam, we react like that. I failed in my exam. How will I show my face to my family? What will people say? What will my friends say? What will my relatives say? A lot of negative thought will come in your mind, and that time we need to be careful, because that type of things makes you commit to suicide, and you have seen such type of things, right? So please be careful, think well, don't worry. Failure is not final, and success is not enough, right? So think well. And now I want to tell you that how to convert your negative thought in positive thought. So if you fail in any exam, maybe it would be related to your business, relations and career. So you need to think like that. If you failed in an exam, you think, okay, no problem, it's not my final time, right? We have a lot of opportunity in our future. Don't think it is your last time, okay? Because I know that everyone know that how much balance he has in your account, but no one knows that how much year he has to live life on this earth. But don't worry, right? It would be that your final, and it would be your not final. So don't think, just think well. And I want to say one more thing, and that is no amount of regret can change what happened in past, and no amount of anxiety can change what will happen in your future. Okay, so always take right decision at the right time. Because at the wrong time your right decision becomes a wrong decision. So thank you.
So that same question someone asked from Mirza Ghalib, and Mirza Ghalib said with a beautiful smile that जिंदगी में गम है, गम में दर्द है, दर्द में मजा है, और मजे में हम हैं. Yes. So let's start my topic. So my name is Alok. Today I want to talk about the most powerful tool we possess. A tool that can shape your reality. A tool that can shape your destiny. A tool that can shape your whole world. That tool is our thoughts. Guys, your thoughts are the seeds that grow into your reality. Your thoughts have the power to create or destroy. Your thoughts have the power to inspire or discourage. Your thoughts have the power to empower or limit. So, guys, choose it wisely. Whatever you think, you become. Once Buddha said, whatever you think, you become. And guys, I want to show something let me once again. Guys, I want to show that how thought is powerful. Guys, here I write that I can do anything. Guys, are you looking this? Yes. What is that?
I can do anything.
Yes. This is a student A. And now you have to see that this is a student B. And he wrote, I can't do anything. What is that? I can't do anything. So guys, I want to say that after 21 days, we will give him task that student A, I will give task to student A that you have to repeat yourself this thought that I can't do this, I can't do anything, I can't do anything, I can't do anything. And where I will give again to student B the same statement. He will tell, I can't do anything, I can't do anything, I can't do anything. Now, guys, after 21 days, who will be better? Student A or student B? Student B, of course. So, guys, after 21 days, student A will look like very demotivated, they will spread negativity, and after 21 days student B will looks like very courageous, very motivated, and they spread very positive thoughts. Guys, your thoughts have the power. Your thoughts, the most powerful thought. Your thoughts are the most powerful evidence that lives in. Guys, have you heard the name of Thomas Edison?
Yes.
If you have heard, please raise your hands. How much people have heard the name of Thomas Edison? Almost everyone have heard the name of Thomas Edison. Please down your heads. Now, he said, the inventor of bulb, Thomas Edison said that I failed. Yes, I have failed, but I found 10,000 ways that won't work. This is the power of thoughts. And similarly, Nelson Mandela said, Nelson Mandela remained focused on freedom and equality. This said they win a nation, whole nation by his thoughts, by his statement. They said, once said that the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling. Guys, please attention. This is a very powerful statement said by Nelson Mandela. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but remaining focused when we fail.
Right.
So guys, at last, I want to say to you that think positive, think possibilities, and you can do anything. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you.
A very warm and energetic morning to all of you guys.
Good morning.
How are you all? I'm also perfectly fine. My name is Rahul, and today I'm going to remind you the most powerful tool we possess, our mind and our thoughts. Our thoughts have the ability to change, to shape our reality, overcome obstacles, and unlock our full potential. Do you know, guys, what you are? You are whatever you think, because your thoughts become your words becomes your action, and your actions becomes your reality. One more thing I want to ask you, do you know how much power you have? You have the power to choose your thoughts, and by choosing your thoughts, you can change this whole world. So always choose your thoughts wisely. As I said, you can change this whole world by choosing your thoughts. Don't let any negative thoughts hold you back, because you are capable to achieve greatness, and you are the cusp of greatness, and your thoughts are the spark that ignites the flame of success. And one more thing is there I want to tell you, and that is your thoughts have very much power, and we are too much addicted to our thoughts. Actually, we can't change any type of thing if we can't change our thoughts. So there is one more thing I wanted to tell you, and that is keep your thought positive, because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive, because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits becomes your values. And keep your values positive because your values becomes your destiny. You know, guys, your thoughts shapes your emotions, and your emotions shapes your actions, and your actions shapes your destiny. So at last I would like to tell you one thing, and that is the amount of your happiness is dependent on the quality of your thoughts. So always think positive, do positive, and live positive. So thank you for listening to me.
I hope you're fine. Yeah, I'm still fine. So, let's just start this session. Today, I'm going to talk about how to communicate with confidence. Over the years of coaching professional, I have noticed that one of the things how the people back from advising in their career, how confident they feel at work and how much confidence others have in them. Lastly, this confidence comes from how competent you are at your job, at your work, whether you do it well. So, in this session, I'm going to share with you 4 tips to boost your communication abilities and how you articulate your thoughts clearly, articulately, and effectively. So, number first, stop thinking about yourself. Many professionals have shared with us that they get nervous when they are something because they are being perceived, or they have thoughts like I hope I'm making sense, I hope they agree, I hope I sound competent. However, by focusing on you, which actually strip of you your power, and it results in others not what are you saying but on how are you saying. And second, figure out what you wanna say. For this point is all around point of view. Have an informed perspective, and what you wanna you know what happens when you don't know how much the topic, or you really don't know how to contribute. This is a really, when everyone gets stuck, is a really useful tool. When and you know what, when you are confused, when you don't understand what actually to add, to ask, the considered, and sometimes it's as simple as asking the question that others are not even thinking about. Jason, that's a really interesting perspective. How did you come up with that? And thank you. And number third, learn to avoid the verbal mistake. The most common verbal mistake, it comes when you communicate or speaking too quietly or too quickly. What happens? Your voice and your silent hold your perspective and your thoughts, and someone else around the meeting room and says, what are you going to speak up? And gets all the credit. In that time, you wanna say something, but that's not correct. And in that time, you won't have all the answer about that. But that's okay. Just have confidence in your perspective, because they are as valid as anyone else.
Now the feedback round. We must know how are these people feeling about today's program, right? So first, I want to know from the anchors. Can you please come this side, okay? Yeah, anchor, how are you feeling?
So I'm feeling very energetic today because they all are speaking very nicely, and the means it they shows their performance here. So I can say the round will be very tough.
Okay, all right. Selection will be very tough, right? All right. Okay. So you tell me, what is your feeling, and what was your expectation, and what is your feeling right now?
Uh, as always, my expectations is always high from my team members, and it's seriously inspiring to see them all and doing stunning performances. I cannot tell and reveal the names, but I can say that they are doing fabulous. That is a non-matchable, I can say, because they are performing expected, I can say.
So things are coming okay in great. You are not able to understand what magic is going to happen. Okay, this will be lifetime experience for you. Thank you for your feedback. Okay, I'm just. Are you feeling the heat?
Yes,
Feeling the heat of the sun or heat of the moment?
both.
Both. Oh, that's bad. Okay, I cannot tell the sun to. I mean, not give you light. Okay, this should give you light. Okay, so you tell me what type of heat you're feeling.
No, I felt we are doing great job, and because of that, competition is very tough for me and for us.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, best of luck. Okay, all right. Can you please come this side? Yeah. So I want to know from this, dynamite. Okay, stand up, please. Yes, sir. Tell me, you always come on Sunday, right? So what are you feeling today? Tell me.
The feeling is that I can't explain, but the thing that I'm observing in everybody that they are doing very great, and especially everybody are doing, means in their field they are very best, I think. And new innovation and creation is being done.
Okay. So new seniors are coming. Okay. Can you please stand up, Mr. Summer? Okay. Everybody knows you on YouTube channel. Say hi first. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Tell me, what do you feel today?
I'm just feeling that ki after our batch there are also some guys available who can be the seniors,
Right.
and I'm just getting that ki they are not best in everything, but they are best in, like, that guy was best in aggression, he was best in his own style. So everyone is having his own style, not having a different path or very bhatka bhatka, so they are not.
Right. Everybody is doing their best. You mean to say that? Thank you. Thank you very much. Can I have from this side? Okay. Please stand up. Stand up. Okay. So you tell me about the program.
Yes, sir, this program is really very fantastic, and you know, guys, I enjoy a lot.
Okay. You enjoying?
Yeah,
Okay. All right. Next. Okay. Can you please stand up? Yeah, ma'am. You tell me. You are also the participant, I think. Okay. So heartbeat is racing or what?
yeah, heartbeat is racing.
Okay, so just calm down. Okay, say all is well, all is well. Okay, so what do you want to say to the participants?
Sir, I think everyone participates, and I'm talking about this program. So this program is very amazing, and everyone give performance best, and I think it's very tough. Who can I
Okay,
win?
it's very tough to select. Actually, selection is going to be very tough. Can you please stand up? Okay, you're sitting very silently. Why?
No, no. Actually, I'm enjoying this session. And if I say about this program, so this program is very, I can say, uh, perfectly. And thank you to you, sir, कि you arrange this type of program because it gives us lot of benefits. It's remove our fear and it is increase our self to do our best.
Okay, thank you. Best of luck. Best of luck. Who is this side? Who can just give their feedback? Anyone else? Yeah, Mr. Nitish, you please stand up. Nitish, you're also the participant today. Okay, in which group you are?
A plus.
A plus. मतलब you आप senior बनने के ही level पे हो, right? After some times you will be converted into seniors list, right? Senior group, right? So what is your plan today?
Now today I'm going to do something unique that maybe it would be impressive for everyone.
Okay. If you win, what will you do? If you don't win, what will you do?
If I win, so I would be happy, and if I don't win, so there is no problem because failure is not final.
Okay, failure was the final. Thank you. Best of luck. Best of luck. Okay, from this side, anyone wants to reply here? Okay. All right. So I think okay, Miss Dareen, you tell me. Asana, please. Okay. So why are you here today?
I'm here to enjoy myself.
Okay. And the same question I want to ask from you as well. You are also the participant. If you win, what will you do? And if you lose, what will you do?
If I win, so it my very great pleasure to have such type of wonderful opportunity. Like I will be very happy. And if I don't win, so I don't think it is very big deal. I will try to improve myself.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Viewers, you must have watched the tense